How to handle large audio files on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and visit the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials or create a free account if you haven't already signed up. Once you are logged in, make sure your large audio file is in a supported format such as MP3, WAV, FLAC, or any other formats accepted by the platform. Choose the type of stem separation you need, like vocals and instrument, drums and bass, or other available options. Then click on Select Files and upload your large audio file. Keep in mind that the upload time may vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, so it's normal if it takes a little longer than usual. Lalal.ai will begin processing your audio automatically. If your file exceeds the free usage limit, you may need to upgrade to your premium plan to unlock full processing capabilities. Once the separation is complete, you can preview and download the processed tracks without hassle. Make sure you have a stable internet connection throughout the process to avoid any interruptions during upload or processing. And that's it. Now you know how to handle large audio files on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.